everyone and welcome back to our channel, Haul the Anchor. We are Susan and Terry, a married couple from County Kerry in Ireland, who together with our little family love to take you on our adventures in our self-converted camper van. Please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our adventures this year. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. It's been a while since we had a video up. We haven't been out in the van in a while, but today we've taken the drive up to Rathonishka in County Laois and we're at the National Ploughing Championship for the day.
Championship has been held every year for the past 20 years. It is one of 5 times
the car now and we've had a brilliant day. It's been roasting hot and we've really enjoyed the National Ploughing Championship.
When I'm nervous, I talk too much and overshare things. Yeah, I can be a mess, but you somehow like me for me. And all your friends are wasted, you wanna stay here. Oh, we should just stay here. Maybe just for one more drink.
Hi everyone, we're just on the way home now from the Ploughing Championships. What a brilliant day it was out. There was over 370 stalls, people selling stuff for farmers and stuff. But just a great family day out with like small fun fair for teenagers. There was a load of ice cream vans, there was bands playing, and they seemed to be, as we were leaving after 6 o'clock, there were bands and stuff and drinking was only starting, so I'd say it was a great weekend. And we seen there as well that you'd get a camping ticket. It was €60 I think for the 3 nights, so like that would be great value, and if you could stay there and listen to music and have a bit of crack with a gang of people, it would have been a brilliant few nights.